Hello everyone, welcome back to Coding Scratch. In this video, we go to the lesson 3 talking about project design and app part 1. Okay, this lesson has no any puzzle, but it has the one activity guide. So we first read the overview first. This is the first in a series of lessons where students will make progress on building their own functional app. Okay. So the results you can click here and you will get the result. Okay, app development planning guide activity. Okay, this level it say that this lesson contain no level. Okay, so you just click on this app development planning guide link here. Okay, so it will guide you to or redirect to this Google Docs. So I just press it. Okay, request edit access. So in this, you can only read. You could not uh, edit it. You can request edit it. Okay. You just click send. Okay. Wait it for approve. So now you could put your name up here. Okay. Name and period in that. And you could read the description below here or project description. Okay. For this project, you will work with a partner. Okay. Together, you will create an app that teach your classmates about any topic you both find interesting. Okay. Along the way, you learn how to use many the feature of App Lab, as well as skills that will help you when building more apps throughout this class. Okay. So you could you could notice that what will you submit after you complete this session. Okay. Decision you will submit first is your final app and this completed project planning guide. Okay, this planning guide is very important. Without this planning guide, you could not complete your final app. So you will need to send it to your teacher for these two men. Okay, so about the app requirement, okay, that use at least three screens. Okay, three screens. So you can have more than three, like four, five, six. Okay, but one or two is not. It's not meet the requirement. Include example of image, audio, and text. Okay, your app or the element on the screen has at least image, audio, and text. Okay, a clear and easy to navigate user interface. It means that it's easy for the user to navigate from another screen to one screen to another screen. Okay, so it is quite simple for the user. Okay, clearly communicate information about your topics. Okay, code is cleanly written and free of error. So be clear that your code written is very clean without the error, without the information that we don't want. Okay, so and mostly of the code, no error. Okay, okay, no error, free error. And about the step, it will guide us like that. First, collaborate with the partner to pick a topic you are both interested in. So, what kind of app or the topic that you could interested with your partner, like sport, like music, like app for sell something, or the app to for the student, or app for education, like the mathematic app or physical app, anything, or English learning app, or app for finding a job, or any type of the, the topic that you are interested with your partner. Okay, so first collaborate with your partner to pick a topic first. Okay, so be sure that you are both interested in the same topic. Okay, it is the first step. Next, you will interview your classmates to identify what they already know about the topic. Okay, interview them. Does they know about that or not? Okay. Step 3, design your app's user interface using this planning guide. Okay. Okay. So design your app user interface. It is step 3. Step 4, design and program your app in the app lab. Okay. So after you complete design your interface, your app interface, next you will design and program. It means you coding it to make it functional app, be functional app. Okay. Okay. And the next, collect the feedback from your classmate and update your app. It means that you send the link of your app to your classmate and ask them to test your app and collects all the feedback from them and update your app to be more better. Okay. And the last step is share your final app with the class. Okay. So or your teacher or your whole classmate. Okay. So that's all the step that you could follow it to complete your design app. Okay. So we go to another one. It is investigate and reflect pace. You can see the step 1. Okay. Step 1 like that. Step 1, brainstorm topic idea. Okay, brainstorm topic idea. As your app can teach your classmate about any topic you and your partner agree on. Okay, your topic could be a hobby. Okay, hobby, something you always been interested in, a piece of your personal story, or just something you think your classmates should learn more about. Write down 3 ideas for a topic that you brainstorm individually. Okay, so you could complete this here, but now I couldn't, so I refresh it. Does it allow me to edit it? Okay, maybe not. So could I download it? Sorry, maybe I download it. Okay, I think I could download it. I'll make a copy here. Okay, I make a copy to put something. Okay, this one I could. Okay, I could complete it. So you also you could do that too. Okay, so you brainstorm your idea. Okay, you can put like the I put expert, and this one is learning English with me. Okay, that is the topic. Okay, or another topic I put okay, job finder. Okay, job finder. Okay, so this app, it's just my idea, but expert learning English with me or job finder. Okay, so any idea you could complete here. Okay, at least 3 idea with your partner. And another step is step 2, choose one topic. Okay, Just one topic. Now, talk through your idea with a partner. Together, pick a topic both of you are interested in teaching your classmate about and explain in the use sentence about sentence what would be covered. For example, if your topic is basketball, you would write a few sentence explain that you would cover the rule and the origin of sport. Okay, you choose our topic here. So this three topic here. So for example, I choose job finder is for my topic here. Okay, like that. And after that, you explain what does the app can cover here. Okay, I just put some word, some sentence. Job finder. Okay, I'll put that. Job finder is the awesome app for graduate student to find a job. Free, it means that part-time or full-time job are available. Available. So I put something wrong. I could check it. Okay, fine. That is available. I said something wrong. Available. Available. Autocorrect is wrong. Okay, this one. Okay. Job Finder is an awesome app for graduate students to find a job. Part-time or full-time job are available 24 hours a day. Okay. So this is the my opinion or my sentence that talking about or show about my topic. Okay. Now I press it Control B to make it bold. This is the name of my app. Okay. Step 3. Okay. Interview your classmate. Okay. To design your app, you will need to understand your user. Okay. For this project, your user is your classmate. Okay. You have no time for go out of your class and go to the supermarket or go to the store to or go to another school to interview them. You just find your classmate or ask them for the interview about your topic. Okay. And you will need to understand what they already know about your topic. So you just ask them, have you ever heard about the app that could find a part-time job or full-time job? And what is that app? What does its functionality? Okay. So after you interview that, or after you interview your classmate, you will find some idea from them. And another idea, you could improve your app to be more better than other app. Okay. So you just find the two classmates and talk to them about your topic for a couple minutes, okay, and then fill this table. Okay, you could fill this table. For the first column, it's talking it to fill the name, and column two, what they what do they already know about the topic? Okay. What what they do? Okay, okay. For example, I put Monica. That, for example, they know about the topic. They used to find a job with the app. Okay, name dot dot dot. I don't know the app name. Okay, this is what they know about your topic. Okay, what do they need or want to learn about your topic? And this is what they want. Okay, like fast, fast and good job with the good salary. Okay, for example. For example, the one is easy to find, easy to find the first and a good job with a good salary, and this is what they want from our app. Okay, so this is for example for me. Okay, so another one is you can complete this row here below the Monica. Okay, for example, now I only put the Monica only. Okay, so design page. Step 4. Step 4, you create a program specification. Okay, create a program specification based on your research. You identify requirement for what the app must take your classmate. On the next page, you should draw a specification that show how your app will actually run to meet those requirements. Okay, this means you should include all the button, text, and the image that user will be able to use. Okay, write note or draw arrow showing how different user interface element should work. For example, if clicking a button take me to another screen, I should draw an arrow from that button to the drawing of the screen like that. And this is the that you can call it like prototype. It is your screen, but it's not on the app yet. It is on the paper. You could design whatever you want on this before you take it to the app in the real app lab. So this is the screen for you guys. One, two, three, four. And you could design by using our material in the Google Docs here, or you could print it out and draw it by your hand here. Okay. So for example, like my app is talking about the job finder. Now I insert what I insert about with watermark link. How could I include it? Okay. Now I zoom it and zoom out. Okay. Yeah, now I insert some. What about the topic here? Wait a minute. Why I couldn't insert the tag here. Oh, now it is on my document. So I could draw something here. Maybe I could draw here. Okay, maybe I draw it on this, and after that I insert it. Now, for example, this is represent to the screen of my app. Here one. Okay, I copy it. Two. One, two, three. Okay, okay, this three. Now I create only three string, and after that I put the text here. I call it the job finder. Okay, it is easy, right? And after that, I include the picture by search. I search the word find. Okay, and I put this one, insert it. Okay, it represents the finder, right? Job finder. Okay, I could put it. I could put it up there. Okay, job finder like that. And after that, who commit, who go to this app? First, they need to complete their information. Like, now I put like, yes, name. After that, load name and age. Before we could provide them a job, okay, could know about their information. Job, okay, I put like date of birth, DOB, date of birth, and after that, uh, place of birth at POB, and after that, like contact phone. Phone is like Gmail or mail. So I need that info for before we provide them email or provide them a job, right? Okay. And after that, I need the text box for them to complete here. This is represent the text box that they could fill it in. Now I put the highlight, the text color. I put it in the white and I put that like the, okay, that's one. I think that be okay. Two, three, four, five. Okay, now I press down. And, okay, this is the job finder, the home page. And after that, after they complete it, they could click the another button. Now I choose this button to represent my button here. Okay, use this. I put the tag in here like getting started. Okay. After they complete that information, they could start with our app to find, to discover the app. Okay, so I put it with this color background with the tag color like this. Oh no, that is okay. This one I think it is will be better. This is just over design in the that's called prototype. Okay, so in this design home screen we have name, DOB, phone, mail to contact. Okay, so getting start. After they click the getting start, they go to the next screen, the second screen that we'll put it again in here. And then I copy this tag. This is to be bold, okay, and it has some background to be clarified that is the title of our app here. Subtitle like that. Delete it. Let's put it here. Okay, put it a little bit small. So after they put it like that. Okay. After they click the getting start, they go up there and they could go back by click the another sharp. I put like the arrow. I use this arrow if they want to go back here. If they want to go back to the home screen, they could click here. Okay. And after that, the job it called that job list. Okay, job list that available for them to find or to that available for them. Okay. Now I just drag and drop like that. And after that, I put another color like that. This color. Okay. And after that, I copy it. Okay. Now I copy it again. Again. Again and again. So this screen is available them to choose the job that they want. So I just change the color to this one. Okay. Just change this color to another color like that. And change the font size to a bit small. This is I call it job. Like I said, security. And this one is app developer. Okay. Or this one is mobile web designer. Or another one is video editor. Another one is administrator. doctor, or this one is like cleaner, or this one is like the photographer, or this one is database designer. Okay, this one is the PHP developer. This one is called Java backend dev. Okay, so I click it and change it to be a little bit small to make it like this. Okay, that's all. So after they complete that, and they can click another job. After they click it, they will go to another screen that show all the information about the the job, which company, okay, job, salary, rank, location, and email to contact like that. So I copy this, okay, Control C, Control V, put it here again. And after that, if they click the app developer, the information of app developer will show up here. Control C, Control V. I drag and drop here. And after that, this is the information about the app developer. First is the location. Okay, I call it United States. Salary, salary should be around $100 to five, no, $1,000 to $5,000 a month. Okay, and working day, working Monday to Friday. Okay, like responsible for for iOS dev. Okay, and the contact email by info@gmail.com. Put a little bit small like that. Okay, enough for that. Contact or location. Dot. Location of the company. Or I put another one is working time from 8 a.m. to 4 a.m. Okay, like that. So that's all about the information of the app developer. Okay, so I think that's all. And after that, I put another button like this one. They could apply now. Okay, Mm-hmm. I think that's great. Okay, apply now. So if they don't want to apply it, they can go back by clicking this button here. Okay, back to the job list here, and the job list, click here and to this. So you could click the arrow like that. When they click getting start, they go to this. Okay, go to this. Put it a little bit bigger. Oh, too much. Or like that. Okay, and they click this and click the app developer. It will go up there. If they click this, they will guide us to this app again. Click this button. We'll go to this app again. If apply now, the information of the developer like name, date of birth, POB, phone, mail sent to the contact email info@gmail.com, or they can apply it by their own. Okay, so this is my planning guide about app, or they can, or you could draw by printing this page out and draw it by your hand, or easy to draw from one step to another step. Okay, so that's all about the branch, or the step 4 that call about grade program specification. After you grade it already, it's time you to building page. Step 5, start building your app, working with a partner to build your app. Along the way, make sure you use program specification you drew as a starting point, but it's okay to update as you go. Okay, that means that you can update your app in the next. Okay, use pair program. You have to, okay, you have partner. Use your debug skill to check that your app is working. Okay, so it is quite simple, right? After you create this app in your paper, after that you build it to be a real app in the app lab. Okay, before you begin the code, fill out the chart below for any event handler in your application or your program. For like, we have the button like getting start. Okay, you could complete here like getting start button. Okay, what does it do? What is the action? Can you click? What's happened when you click it? It will navigate to next screen called job list, screen. Okay. Another one is the H job title. Okay, like the H job, and put like job button. Click to information is navigate to description of of the job. Okay. Another button is apply now, right? Apply now. button. Click to that will take information of user and then apply to or send to send to other send to recruitment who recruit the company. You can call it company. Okay, like that. If you have another action, you can put it here. Okay, what if from user? Okay, send it to company. Okay, another is we have the back back button. Okay, back button. Click it. After that, they will navigate to previous screen. Oh, previous. Put something wrong. Navigate to previous screen. Okay, that's all. Okay, use this chart to guide you in adding program statement to your program. Okay, so testing page in the step 6, testing and feedback. You will need to test your app to make sure it works as expected. Okay, to do that, find at least 2 classes to use your app. Okay, that is, you find another class and ask them to test your app. Okay, so ask students to read through your program specification and requirement. Ask them to use the app and test out the difference between the different behavior including in your specification. Write down anything you notice them to finding confusing or broken, and ask them to share anything they recommend improving. Okay. After that, you fill the information like before. Okay, like when you interview your classmate, his name, and it is thing that could be improved based on the watching them use the app. This is improvement this person recommend. Okay, so you could after you interview them or collect the feedback, you can put it here. Okay, and the step 7, pick improvement. Okay, pick at least one improvement you plan to make your app based on feedback you collected from your classmates. What is they commended or recommended for your app to be improved? Choose one or two. But at least one. If you have two to be improve your app to be more better, so you could do that too. Okay. So step it is the last step. Is step 8. Complete your app. Okay, it is finished now. Your app is finished. And after that, you have the reflection. Question 1. Provide a, re- provide a written response that describe the overall purpose of your program, describe the functionality of your app, describe the input and output of your app. Okay, approach 150 words. Okay, reflection here. Question 2. This project was created using a development process that requires you to incorporate the idea of your partner and feedback from your classmates. Provide a written response that describes one part of your app that was improved through input from either your partner or feedback you received from classmates include whose specification who basically provide the idea or recommendation. What the idea or recommendation was, okay? The specific change you made to your app user interface or functionality in response to the recommendation. Okay, how you believe this change improve your app. Pro 150 word again. Okay, so that's all the for the reflection, and this is Robert. Okay, uh, that's all about the lesson 3. So to wrap up for you guys, what will you have to submit is the your final project. Okay, your final project or your final app. And second is the this completing or completed project planning guide that you have that you have completed, written or designed your and design your project. Okay, so that's all about the lesson 3. Okay, now we go to the lesson 4, the talking about project design and app part 2. This is an overview. Students continue working on the unit projects in this lesson that is primarily designed to be work time. Okay. Students continue to follow the app development process outlined in the app development guide by transferring the user interface design from the planning guide over to the app lab. Okay, this is the result. It is a sample or prototype and building your screen. You could go to app development planning guide, click it. Okay, this is the overall planning guide that you already completed or designed it. Okay, so you could use it for to make your app to make it be a reality. So we go to the sample prototype. So wait a little bit. When you saw that app or see that app, you don't know what is behind the screen of the app or how many screens in this app. Okay, but when you take a look at the prototype below, that is the bird quiz app, you will see how many screens they has and what is happen or what will happen when you click the button. Okay, so run this app and think about how the prototype help in development of this app. So when you press the begin button, and in this prototype, it will show us to this arrow to the what bird is fastest on the land. And click begin. Okay, this question will go up there like um, the prototype said. Okay, it has ostrich and has emu and have another bird here, penguin and like that. But if you click the ostrich, you will go to another screen. It means that you answer to the question is right and correct. What bird can longest? Okay, when you click ostrich and go to another screen, what bird can live the longest? Okay, so it go to the screen, and after that, if you click the bird parrot, parrot, it will guide you or redirect you, navigate you to the another screen to another question called what bird can fly. Now I choose parrot. Okay, what bird can fly screen will go up here. And after that, if you click the hummingbird, hummingbird, it will guide you or navigate you to you win. Okay, that's right. That is the step that you can follow prototype. Okay, so you can play it again, or when you press the play again, it will navigate you to that is start over and there. What does it go? Okay, it go to the first screen that called the begin screen, right? Okay, that will guide us here. When you start again or begin again, and you did not choose the correct answer, as you didn't choose the ostrich, you choose another like penguin or falcon or emu. Okay, you choose which one of these three guys, it will guide you or navigate you to the last screen. Now I click penguin. Okay, you will see the your last screen and see the word try again. Okay, when you press try again, you will go to another screen is begin screen again. But if you click on the alternate for the first question, it is the right answer. But in the next question, you choose in the wrong answer, like that or eagle, parrot, or budgie. Okay, you choose parrot again. Oh no, not parrot. Swan. Okay, choose click that. Okay, click that. It will guide you or navigate you to lost screen two. Okay, play it again. Begin or trace. I choose parrot, but this one is the hummingbird is the right answer of the question. But if you choose the wrong answer, like robin, you lose two. Okay, so for the for prototype, it helps us to see the process of our app after something click, after something wrong and something right, based on your idea, based on your design, what will happen, what will guide or navigate to after they complete something. Okay, so this is the information or that is the importance of the prototype. Okay, for you to build your app to be more easier and you can control the flow of your app from one step to another step. Okay, you can click finish and continue. So after that, you it's your turn. Look at the user interface design in your planning guide. Okay, and here is my planning guide history. I choose this one. Where is my planning guide history? Planning guide that I have done. Where is my planning guide? I noted that I have copied. Okay, this one. So this is my planning guide that I have created or prototype that I use to build my app. So it's time to build this prototype to be a real project in the app lab. Okay, and recreate a screen here. You can upload image to your app by clicking choose. Okay, next to image category in the design mode here in design, and you are not doing any programming yet on your app. You will start that in lesson 8. Now you just recreate or redraw your app. Okay, and after that you will coding it in the lesson 8. For this lesson you just draw your app. Okay, so you could choose the screen 1. You can make another one that called new screen. Okay. Now I choose screen one like my home screen, right? Okay. Code, not coding anything here. You just write some no right that just design your screen app. So now I choose this job finder. Okay. Now I choose the image, and after that I chose, and after that I choose the find search like that. Okay, I use this icon instead. Okay, after that I put the label like job finder. Okay, I put it here to represent my app. Okay, and after that I need the text 1, 2, 3, 4, and after that 5. How many? 2, 4, 5. Okay, only 5. Need the label 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The first one is name. I put it name like LBL name. This one is DOB and LBL POB. This one is LBL POB. Tag is POB. And this one is the phone and email. I call it phone and name it LBL phone. This one is the mail, LBL mail. Okay, so I put it a bit far from text box. Okay, and this one you should take the put it name to be easier. TXT name. This is TXT. I don't know. This is ID. TXT and you could put the placeholder like that of birth like that. This is you could place the full name POB like TXT POB like place of birth. That is birth, not birth. This one is phone. TXT phone. Phone. Okay, this is TXT mail. Okay, placeholder like example at gmail.com. Okay, that's all for my first screen. Okay, so the next I could duplicate the screen or create a new one. So I just go to the next screen. Okay, Next screen is the job list. So I need it first is the icon again, icon search. Okay, I use this. Oh, why could I? Okay, now put it here. And the text, could I copy from this? Maybe not. Design again. Label again. Like job finder. Okay, follow this. And after that, another back. I need another button here called back button. Okay, I put it up here. And no text. But I choose another image. Or I choose icon, back arrow, key. Okay, color. I use none color. There's no border. And no background color. Where is background color? I choose white. Okay, like that. Put it up there. And after that is the text, like top list. Drag and drop to be a bit long. And choose a background color to another color that you want. Okay, choose this one. RGB, no pay. Okay, like that. This is job list. And after that, the list all the job here. So you could Control C, Control V to duplicate and change this to that color. Okay, Control C, Control V again. Put it up here. And so example for this. Now I put like copy from that is called Abdel. This one is Abdel. This one called Java This one is PHP Dev. Okay. Designer. Okay. Database and network. And this one is network security. Okay. Like that. Edit it to screen. After that, we go to the next. Now copy and delete. Copy, duplicate it. Screen 3. Okay. Duplicate it. So this is the app developer. Now just delete it, delete it. Now let's call Abdel and the information. Okay, the information I could copy from it. I then rewrite again. Copy. Enough for that. I need only the could just take the view. Okay. And I need one button that call apply now. And this is apply button. You could change its color to be more okay. So I think that's all about our app here. Could increase the font size a little bit. Okay, that's all. This is first screen, second screen, and three screen here. Okay, so the lesson 4 that talking about project design and app part 2 is completed. And what about you guys? You have done too, right? Okay, so that's all in this video. See you in the next video again and in the next lesson.